Here's a very interesting situation that has created a big discussion, but it's not something we haven't seen before. This defender is making a sliding tackle to block the shot, but the ball hits his arm. The referee initially called a free kick, but we can then see that it was actually inside the penalty area. If you look at the handball, the player is making a sliding tackle. He's not yet on the ground. When making a sliding tackle, it's considered as falling down. When you're falling, you must support the body, and the natural reflex is to use one arm. The ball hits his supporting arm, and the arm is between his body and the ground. The arm is absolutely in a justifiable position for his overall body movement. The IFAB has already covered scenarios like these, and the answer is always the same. This is not gonna be a handball offense. If you look at the other arm, you could see that it was extended above the head. Had the ball hit that arm, it would be a handball offense. VAR was correct to tell the referee to make an on-field review, and in the end the referee made a correct decision to change this to a no handball offense.